Ready for luxury living at the Lake of the Ozarks? I'm super excited to show you my new listing. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group. This home is surrounded by custom-built luxury homes in the Eagles Landing subdivision. This property features a large open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, custom cabinets, a large master suite with a walk-in tile shower, and a great master closet. This newer construction 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is conveniently located in Sunrise Beach at the 11-mile marker. Home has an oversized 3-car garage, and the covered patio is huge and just perfect for entertaining. As you can see, you have fantastic views of the Davey Hollow Cove from your living room, master bedroom, and patio. The large community dock is just steps away. A community golf cart path by the lakeside to give ease of access to the dock. Call today to make this home yours.